2019 Toyota Avalon. Toyota Avalon, a solid performer with standard V6 power, lots of interior space, and a reputation for reliability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer, heated front seats, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, panic alarm, tachometer. Come see the car for yourself.